guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like and leave a comment. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to track any lost device, whether being iPhone or Android. So let's get started with the Android version. Okay, so you click on your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Okay, and you search for find my device. Okay, then you tap on the search button, you wait for it to load, then you tap on this very one, the one it says find my device. Okay, so it will ask you to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email. Okay, then afterwards I have to enter my password. Okay, I'll wait for it to load. So as you can see, I've currently logged in on two devices, one being Samsung Galaxy A2 Core and Tecno Camon 11. Okay, so when you tap on the Samsung Galaxy A2 Core, you can be able to play sound which will make the phone ring till you tap on stop. Okay, and with a secure device, it's going to erase all the informations on your phone, or it's going to lock your phone. Okay, so in case you want the IMEI for any security reason, you just come to this setting button. Then as you can see, it's here. You have the device model, the IMEI, and the date on which the account was logged in on the phone. Okay, same applies to the Camon 11. Here you go, you tap on it, same applies to it. You can play the sound, secure your device, or factory reset your device, which is going to erase any information. So in case your phone gets stolen and you don't want the thief to get access to your phone, you just factory reset it and it's going to erase all the information. Okay, so that's it for the Android version. Let's get into the iPhone version. Okay, so there are two ways you can use the find my device on the Apple or your iPhone, but I suggest you go in for the browser option. So you tap on your Chrome browser, then you search for find my iPhone and tap on search. When it comes, you choose this very one. This is the one I was talking about, but this one is for iPhone only. So in case you are not having iPhone at the moment, you'll not be able to use it. So you just tap on the find my device or find devices. You wait for it to load. It says find devices, find your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, AirPods or Beats. Okay, so you tap on sign in. So I'll tap on sign in since the account is already on my phone, so it will just verify whether it's really me. You wait for it to load. So it says getting your iCloud information, iCloud find devices. You wait patiently for it to load. Okay, so here you go. As you can see, I've logged in on many devices. You can say this is the current device I'm using. Yeah, that's iPhone 11, but I've renamed the device name. Okay, so here's my the AirPod Pro. This is my iPhone XR, which I don't use again, and these are other iClouds or other phones I've logged in on my device. Okay, so same applies to it. When I tap on my phone, I'll be able to see the battery percentage, the kind of phone I'm using. I'll be able to play sound. I'll be able to indicate whether the phone is missing or not, and also I'll be able to erase it. Okay, so when I tap on play sound, the phone is going to make a noise. Okay, so it's currently making some noise, so I'll just tap on okay, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know in the comment section what you want to learn more next. Thank